Lift up the cup lever to detach the filter tank. Press this button to open the bottom lid. Now press this button to lift out the filter. Pull out and twist the handle to separate the HEPA filter. You can pinch out the fabric underneath the filter. Another fabric can be taken out from the inside filter. All this part can be cleaned with water, but make sure to dry it first before install. Insert back the blue fabric inside the metal filter. Make sure to align the HEPA filter with the insert and turn it clockwise to lock. Now align this part with the container. Insert the tank to the body by aligning the airflow drain.